guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dama if you are new here, and I'm gonna show you today what I got on the VIB Sephora sale. Funny story about this. On Friday I put some items in my cart. I was still thinking about it. I went to sleep. When I wake up on Saturday, I noticed that my bank account is kind of short on some cash. When I'm checking it, I noticed I made a Sephora purchase for almost $200. I was like, oh no I didn't, and sure enough I checked my email and my sleepy self decided to treat yourself, and she got a lot of stuff. So today I'm going to show you everything that my sleepy self decided to get. And yeah, stick around. If you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So to start things off, I'm going to show you what I got for freebies. If you don't know, when you purchase on Sephora online, you can get up to 3 sample items. This time I got 2 Versace perfumes. I got the Eros por Femme and I got the Bright Crystals perfumes. And also because I always see Tati Westbrook on YouTube, she's called Glam Life Guru. She always raves about the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Boom Boom cream and body wash. So they had the cream on the sample area and I had to pick it up to try it out, because if Tati says it's good, I believe her and I need to try it out. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the Henriksen Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. Everybody has been raving about this new product by this brand. They said it's amazing. I got it because I've been curious about their eye cream, but when I went to the sale, it was already sold out. This cream allegedly says that it will help brighten, HD-fy, and it will provide a 24-hour hydration to your skin. So I'm gonna try this out. I've been really recently kind of dry, especially after I get home. I wash always my face in the morning, after work, and at night, and it's been extremely dry after work. So I really want to try this out, and I'll let you know an update about what I think about this product in the comment section below. Next up, again with skincare, I actually picked this cream alone, but my sleepy self decided to check out and she found there was a gift set. So it's the Origins Clear Skin Glow 2 set. It brings the HIGH-POTENCY Night Mints cream that I've been using at night. My mom actually got me a sample size for a gift a couple months ago, and I've been using it non-stop, and recently, well, I've been using it a lot, so I need a new one. And I've been really liking this one, and I've been really wanting to get more into the Origin products. I never tried them until my mom got me that set. So I guess my sleepy self saw this and she was like, hey, if you can get it for the same price, why not get a box set? So this box set brings you the Renewal cream. I'm just gonna open it up because I don't even know what the hell it is. Okay, so first things off, I can see it brings a little bag. It's actually really cute. Oh, it's an envelope bag. It's a really cute one, and it's definitely washable, so this is perfect for my makeup bag. We have here my favorite HIGH-POTENCY Night Mints MINERAL-ENRICHED Renewal Cream. And this cream, I've been using it, and since I got it and started using it daily at night, I noticed that I got bumps on my forehead and they've been slowly disappearing, and my skin has been little by little smoothing out. So I noticed some change with this and I'm really happy about it. So this is definitely a must repurchase again until I find something better, if there is anything better out there. Then we have the Super Spot Remover Acne Treating Gel. I really want to try this out. Right now I'm under medication from my dermatologist because I had a really bad reaction to some products last year while I was on the Face Awards, and I got cystic acne, which I never had. So I barely get a lot of breakouts. If I lose a little whitehead here and there, but when that time around comes, you know, it's hormonal changes, we cannot stop that. So this will come in handy, and by that time I'm gonna try this out. And here are more two products. I have the Check and Balance Frothy Face Wash. It's a mousse face wash. This is really interesting. I'm gonna try it out. I never use an Origins face wash, so this is interesting. And we have the Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask. 2 clear pores, and this is perfect because right now I do need to do some mask to clear my pores out. So I'm gonna try this out and let you know what I think about it. And actually, like the soap, the cleanser, and the spot remover also. Good purchase, Vicky Dama. I'm proud of you. Now, this is something my mom asked me for. I used it before and I liked it, but I noticed I've been using other products and I've been looking for stuff that works better for me. But for my mom, it works. It's the Belif Aqua Bomb True Cream. She really likes this product. She likes how it works on her skin. She has mature skin that's dry, but it has some oily areas, so it's mostly a combo skin. But she really likes it, and for the same price of this bottle, which is how much? 1.68 ounce bottle. For the same price, you can get this set that brings you a travel size Hungarian water essence and the new moisturizing eye balm. So yeah, mom, I got your stuff. Gotta come and pick it up. Next up, we have the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado. Last year, I started going to the Nordstrom here, Locaria de Muerto San Juan in Puerto Rico, and I actually never tried Kiehl's before, unless it was like body products like scrubs and body lotions, nothing for the face. And I started getting facials there because from time to time they do free facials and you don't even need to purchase nothing. So I always go and I always try new products. And the girl there, she will always hook me up with trial size products. And she gave me a little bit of this cream, and since then, I haven't put it down. I really like this eye treatment. It really does help my eye area, which is kind of dry mostly. So it really helps hydrate it. I notice it kind of plumps it also. And I like that I don't get those little bumps in my eye areas, like when the pores are clogged up in that area, they don't get clogged up. And it's really good. This little jar actually lasts you a long time. So yeah, this is a must. If you have dry eye area, get this baby and it will be fixed like that. So as you notice, and in my other videos and pictures, I always have my brows really bold, really dark. I like them like that. And when I heard Kat Von D came out with a new product, I had to try it. So Kat Von D has a couple of new brow products like the brow pencil, some 24-hour super brow long wear pomades in different colors like red, white, green, yellow, bleach color. But she also got some colors for girls that like to go a little bit color natural, and she also has the powders. But I had to try the long wear pomade. I live in a very humid area. Puerto Rico itself is just humid, so this is really gonna be up to the test now with summer coming right around the corner, even though Puerto Rico is mostly summer every time of the year. But I got the Super Brow Pomade in the color Walnut, and I'm really excited to use this. I've been hearing nothing but good reviews about them, and I just can't wait. So be on the lookout for a preview. So Milk Makeup came out with a new product on 420, and most of you know what 420 is known for. So it's their new Kush mascara. Is being going all over social media because it actually has cannabis oil. And no, you cannot get high from putting mascara on your eyelashes, guys. Please don't comment that on the comment section, please. But yeah, this mascara is a high volume. I'm not exaggerating, that's what it says here. High volume mascara with unique heart-shaped fibers that thicken lashes for long-lasting volume, length, and curls. And it has a puff. I like that. A puff brush which catches curls and coats a pure pigment intense black formula for definition, and is naturally lit. Cannabis oil nourishes and conditions for healthier looking lashes in one hit. What I heard about this mascara is that actually lengthens your lashes, they look fuller, they're really dark, and also when they dry down, some mascaras, when they dry down, if you do this, they're really hard and your lashes actually go like Apparently with this Kush mascara, they will actually move, I don't know how I can describe this, they'll just move better and not be stick and just there. So let's open this baby up because I want to see it. This product actually is quite heavy and I cannot blame it. The packaging looks really cool. It's really heavy and it's just, let's see this. It actually doesn't smell strong, so I actually like that. I got really sensitive eyes and nose, so harsh smells do affect me. It does have a really fluffy brush. I cannot wait to try it out. As you can see here, I don't know if my camera focuses. It has a really fluffy brush. The mascara is really dark, so I'm really looking forward to try this mascara. Probably you will see a review soon about it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. This is the end of the video. Please let me know on the comments below if you're going to be trying out any of the products that I mentioned today. And also be sure to hit that little bell up there so you will get a notification when I upload new videos, especially some reviews that are coming your way. Thank you so much again for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you around in the next one.